Fidget trading with my sister again. What's your offer for all of these poppets?
Wow, I'll give you this Dimple Digits and 3 pop tubes.
Are you joking? I literally gave you all of that. You better add right now.
Okay, I'll add these 3 Nidos.
If you add a simple dimple, it's a deal.
Fine.
I accept.
What will you give me for this purple water ball?
Since it touched your nasty feet, I'm only going to give you this ugly unicorn water thing.
Can you add?
No.
Oh, fine. I actually don't like these fidgets anymore, so can you give me something for all this?
Well, first of all, this stress ball feels like a rock. But I guess I'll give you this globby, these 2 snakes, and this wacky track that I turned into a snapper.
Add.
Okay, fine. I'll give you this Orbeez dolphin.
Yes.
Fidget trading with my sister. What will you give me for this pig splat ball?
I'll give you this Slinky.
Can you add something?
Fine, I'll add this cherry airhead.
Oh my gosh, yes. I'm so hungry.
Any offers for these 4 infinity cubes?
Ooh, I'll give you these 4 triple dimples. These pop really good.
Deal, but I kind of miss my airhead.
I can give you a slime licker.
Deal.
2 cat Nidos?
What about 2 color changing balls?
Yes.
What will you give me for this rainbow poppet and these 2 balloony pets?
I can give you 2 butterfly poppets.
OMG, yes.
These balloony pets are so cute.
Give me something for this really good guitar poppet.
I can give you this purple pop tube and this purple heart poppet.
You better add.
I'll give you this purple marble mesh.
Okay, deal.
I was so over. Do you have any offers for this amazing dough ball?
I'll give you this super pretty Stardust Nido.
Yes. Last time I fidget traded with my sister, I got all of these awesome fidgets, but guess what? She decided it would be a good idea to get more. Where is she getting all of these fidgets? I happen to know that her dream fidget is this black and white simple dimple, so I'm gonna try to scam her with it. Hi, it's me again. Would you like to trade something for this new, rare black and white simple dimple?
No way, that's my dream fidget.
Yeah, it's a lot of people's dream fidget, so make sure you give a lot for it.
I'll give you my Dimple Digits and this humongous poppet.
Is that it? You need to add a lot more.
Oh, fine. I'll give you these 13 poppets.
In the nicest way possible, you really need to add. This fidget is rare compared to all of these.
What about 2 Nidos?
Add.
2 bubble Nidos?
Definitely not.
Since this is my dream fidget, I'll give you my 2 snakes and my 2 triple dimples.
I will accept the trade if you give me the wacky tracks, the puzzle ball, the pea popper, and the snapper.
Here.
Hi guys! As some of you may know, Hockley sent me a poppet to review a few weeks ago, and they were kind enough to send me a tangle, which I'm going to show you in this video. They do ship everywhere in the world, and the link to buy them will be in my bio. Also, make sure to use the code SHARFIDGET10 to get 10% off of your purchase. I absolutely love tangles, so let's open this. Here it is out of the packaging. And what's super fun is that you can also use this as a keychain. I took the keychain off, but here's the tangle. And it even has the Tangles Creation logo on it. The tangles on their website are on sale for $4.99, and if you use the discount code SHARFIDGET10, you can get them for even cheaper. I'm actually trying to collect more tangles, so I am very, very happy I got this one. The colors are so pretty. Again, if you guys would like to purchase a tangle, the link will be in my bio. And thank you guys so much for almost 1 million followers. Giveaway coming soon. Bye! I'm literally in shock right now. I started this account yesterday and we're already at 5,000 something followers. Like, what the heck? Thank you guys so much for all your support. Also, later today, I think I'm going to be going shopping, so if I see any fidgets, then I'll definitely show you guys. Oh, and I saw a lot of y'all's comments, and some of you guys had some really good video ideas, so thank you guys so much for all the help. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. My next video will probably be fidget shopping, so be on the lookout for that. Bye! Making ice out of my dimple digits. I've made ice out of a poppet before, and it turned out really cool, so I'm so excited to try it with my dimple digits. Now let's go fill it with water. First, I'm going to fill this measuring cup up with water. That should be good. So I'm going to bring both the dimple digits and the cup of water to my outside fridge since there's more room. Oh, perfect. There's enough room for my dimple digits to go right here. I'm going to try to pour the water only inside of the circles and not get it all over the dimple digits, but it's going to be hard. Oh, that one was pretty good. So far, so good. It's easier to fill the circles up when I'm not filming, so I'll be back once all the circles are filled up with water. All of the circles are filled now, and obviously they aren't perfect, but it's the best that I could do. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. Come back tomorrow to see the results. Making ice out of my giant poppet. I've made ice out of one of my regular poppets, but never a giant poppet. Making ice out of my fidgets is so fun to do, so let's get started. Now that I'm downstairs, let's fill the measuring cup up with water. And as always, I'm going to bring both the giant poppet and the measuring cup to my outside fridge. Oh, wow. Oh, I actually think it fits right here. Perfect. Now I'm going to slowly fill up the bubbles with water. Oh, gosh. I think I may have overfilled the poppet with water, but hopefully it's okay. Here's a close-up. Now let's close it and see what happens tomorrow. Come back tomorrow to see how the ice turns out. Bye! Hey guys! Fidgetware on TikTok sent me so many fidgets to show you guys. For 10% off your purchase, you can use the discount code SHARX1M. Their prices are really good, so if you do want to check out their shop, the link will be in my bio. The first thing I see is this moon ball. It's so slow rising, and I love the texture. Next is this triple dimple. They also sell simple dimples, which I think is so fun, and I love the color combination on this. Next is this unicorn splat ball. Let's test it out. I don't know about you, but I've never seen a unicorn splat ball before, and this one is so nice. They also sent me an Orbeez stress ball. Orbeez stress balls are my favorite things ever, and this one is such good quality. This is a water snake, and I've never had one of these before. It's so slippery, and I love the smiley faces. This push and grip grips really well to my table. It's loud on both sides. They have so many different poppets on their website. Hey guys, so lately I've been obsessed with acupressure rings, but no one in my family has really played with an acupressure ring, so I thought it'd be fun to see what they think of them. So I'm going to be seeing what my mom, my dad, and my sister think of these acupressure rings. Okay, so I'm with my sister now.
Hi.
So she's going to pick an acupressure ring and tell you her opinion on it.
What's the point of them?
They're for, like, stress. So what would you rate them out of 10?
I'd rate them an 8 or a 9 out of 10.
So now I'm with my mom, and she's going to give her opinion on the acupressure rings.
Look at this. Woo! It's all like porcupiney. Let's see how it feels. Oh, fun. Whee! Christmas time. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So sparkly.
Okay, so last up is my dad, and he's going to give his opinion.
Oh, this is a little hard. Oh, this hurts. Ouch.
Oh my gosh, guys, look what came in the mail today. My fidget package from Mrs. Bench. I was not expecting for this to come, but let's open it. Also, my dog's with me. Here's the first peek. The first thing I pull out. Oh my gosh, okay, so these are the DNA balls for the giveaway. And there's actually 2 of them, so they're both going to be for the giveaway. Next up. Oh my gosh, it's my pop tube! Pop tubes have been some of my dream fidgets, and I finally have some. Okay, let's open it. Here they all are. Okay, I'm gonna try the yellow one first. Oh my gosh. Okay, next is this purple one. Pink one. Oh my gosh, do you guys see how long these things are? The next things I pull out